Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Ford F-250. Stock number is A6521A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control and four-wheel drive controls. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-250 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.